everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Khalid Danielle. Sorry I have been out for a little bit. I've been feeling under the weather, but I'm back. I'm back. So it's going to be a quick makeup tutorial, something quick and easy if you're in a rush, a pinch. Shouldn't take no more than 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. And it's a really quick and natural look, give you a nice natural glow. And we'll be mainly using Fenty beauty products, a few MAC products. I'll show you, just wait, and I'll link the products in the description box below. So stay tuned to see how this look turns out. Alright, so I'm ready, got my bonnet on, took my earrings out. I took my nose ring out. I don't know why I'm weird. I don't like putting on makeup with my nose ring in. I don't like it, gets all nasty. I don't know. So first I'm going to start off with priming my skin. I'm using the Fenty Beauty primer. So you guys know normally I always do my eyes first and then I do my foundation and skin and all that. I'm doing a little different today. I'm going to take my Patrick powder from MAC. And I'm going to take a wet sponge. Just going to take the butt of the sponge, put that in there, tap off the excess. And I'm going to use this to set my primer. Mainly in the areas where I get oily. I'm going to go in under my eye with MAC Studio Finish Concealer. And this is in the shade NC45. And I'm just going to take my finger and use this. And I'm just going to pat it under my eye. Sorry, I'm looking at my mirror. It's over to the right of me. I'm going to take my beauty blender and just kind of help blend it out. And my beauty blender is damp, so. I'm going to go in with a little more of the Patrick powder and just kind of set that concealer. And I'm using a damp sponge again. This time I'm using the flat side. I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder. This is in the color C8. Kind of sweep it under my eyes to kind of set that real quick. I'm going to take my powder and just buff that in. Next I'm going to take the e.l.f. clear brow set and set my brows. Oh, but before I do that, let me brush them up. Get them into place before I set them. I'm not going to fill them in because I naturally have heavy eyebrows or thick eyebrows. So I just kind of want to set them in place, and we're going for something quick and just real natural as possible. Okay, next I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour eyeshadow base. I'm going to prime my lids with that. Next I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in Truffle and just apply that in the crease. Brush and kind of blend that out. I just want like a little wash of color just to add some depth. See how I just add a little bit of depth. Fenty Beauty Shimmer Stick, and this is in the color Cinnamon. I love this color. Love it, love it, love it. So we're going to take this and put that right, pop that right on the eyelid. We're going to put some under the brow bone. We're going to make it real sheer under the brow bone. Just a little tap, tap. It's a little sloppy on this side, but it's all good. It's all good. I don't have to be super perfect. Just something real cute and quick. Okay, so then I'm going to take the shimmer stick and just kind of hit those high points on the cheeks. And do a little on the nose. Put on the Cupid's bow. So I subscribe to the Sprinkle of Jesus app, and it says, remind your problems up that God is still on the throne. Message. Okay, so next I'm going in with MAC Sweetest Cocoa Blush, and I'm not using a lot, just a little bit. So next I'm going with some liquid liner, just to line the top. I'm not doing a wing or nothing dramatic. We're just gonna do a little bit just to line. And I probably should use brown because that probably wouldn't be as harsh, but it's all good. We're just gonna use black. We're gonna roll what we got right now. But I would say if you got brown, use brown, because it'll be good for like a quick like daytime interview type of look. I'm gonna take our Big Shot mascara in the shade Baddest Black, and I'm gonna start with my lower lashes first. Okay, so first I'm going to use the lip liner by NYX in the shade Forever. I'm going to use that. And right now I just got on Jack Black lip balm. You can find that at Sephora. Trying to write this quick because the season finale of 911 comes on tonight and I gotta watch it. So I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, Fenty Glow, and I just gonna slap that up there. Ooh, Lord, I'm dripping on the floor. I don't know, I like doing that lip liner with it. I just feel like it brings it all together for some reason. Okay, so here is the final look. As you can see, something real quick, easy, soft glam, natural glam that you can do if you're going to an interview, you're going to meet up with somebody really quickly and you don't have a lot of time. Something really quick, and it's real light, pretty. It's nothing too heavy, you know, even for those of you that are still trying to get the hang of using makeup. I mean, this is something so simple. Again, if you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. And thank you so much for all the love and support that you all have given me so far. I really appreciate it. And I hope you continue to watch my channel. Again, see you next week. Thank you so much. Peace, love, and light.